Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. This video is useful for students who are studying from 8th standard onwards. In this video, I am starting with a new topic, a new chapter, that is kinematics. What is a kinematics? Why it is named? It is simply the motion of an object with some constant acceleration. You see this, it's a pen. Just leave it. Just observe it. It is falling. Why it has to fall down? Why it's not moving up? During falling, what happens to velocity? Is it increasing or decreasing? During falling, how the displacement is changing? These are the doubts will come into the mind and we can understand by watching this video. Okay? Before that, I will give some brief introduction about this. We are in Earth. Earth has a huge mass compared to my mass and your mass. Since mass is there, it has some gravity. Okay? This gravity makes another object attract. This is another object. It also has some mass, no? So it is attracted by the earth. That is why it is falling down. That is why it is falling down. Okay? So, since gravity is there, mass is there, it is attracted, it is falling down with some constant acceleration. So in this video, how the velocity of an object is changing with time. How the displacement of the object is changing with time. This we can explain by using kinematic equations. V equal to U plus AT, S is equal to U2 plus half AT square, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This kinematic equation we are going to derive in this video. Okay students, keep watching this video, you will understand clearly. Okay students, before we are going to derive kinematic equations, first I will explain velocity, average velocity and some examples. Okay? Simple formula, velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Displacement we measure in meters. Time we measure in seconds. So unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay? This is average velocity. V average is equal to total displacement divided by total time. Okay? Now I will give some examples how to find out velocity and average velocity. Okay? Okay, this is example 1. One person traveling from A to B. You see, this person is traveling like this and he stopped at B. So he traveled a displacement of 100 meter. In the time 10 seconds. So velocity is equal to displacement by time. Simple. 100 by 10 is equal to 10 meter per second. Okay. Some formulas I will explain. Velocity is equal to V equal to displacement S by time T. Another way, this displacement S is equal to V into T. Okay, T comes this side, no? It will multiply. And another formula, T is equal to time taken. T is equal to displacement divided by velocity. These formulas we will use in the further solving the problems. Okay, keep watching. This is example 2. Find the average velocity for following problems. See here, question number A. This is one particle or one person is traveling from A to B and B to C. So total from A to C, what is the average velocity we have to calculate. From A to B, it traveled a displacement 50 meter in the time of 10 seconds. From B to C, it traveled a distance of 100 meter in the time of 5 seconds. So for the total path from A to C, what is the average velocity we have to calculate? We know average velocity formula is equal to total displacement by total time. Total displacement how much? 50 meter plus 100 meter. That is this. And total time 10 seconds plus 5 seconds. That is this. So 50 plus 100, 150 divided by 10 plus 5, 15. So it is 10 meter per second. This is the average velocity of a particle which is traveling from A to C. That is 10 meter per second. Okay. See here, this is example. The problem is B. This is general formula we are deriving. Okay. Same person in the previous problem we traveled. No, he is traveling from A to C via B. He traveled from A to B with velocity V1 in the time T1. He traveled from B to C with velocity V2 in the time T2. What we have to calculate? Average velocity. So from A to B, displacement you calculate. From A to B, I am calling displacement is S1 equal to V1 into T1. That formula you know. From B to C, displacement is S2. S2 is equal to V2 into T2. Okay. So total displacement from A to C, that is S is equal to S1 plus S2. That is equal to V1 T1 plus V2 T2. Total time is how much? T is equal to T1 plus T2. Simple. Average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time. That is equal to V1 T1 plus V2 T2 divided by T1 plus T2. Okay, you understood now? Okay, see here. This is first kinematic equation. V equal to U plus AT. This U is initial velocity. Why I am calling it is initial velocity? For a particular reference time, whatever you take, I am taking initial time is 0 only, no? At t is equal to 0, final velocity becomes initial velocity. Hence I am calling this U is initial velocity. Okay? V is final velocity. Why it is final? After some time t, its velocity changed to V. So V is final velocity. Okay? A is acceleration. I will define what is acceleration. You see, one car is moving with initial velocity U. The fellow inside the car is accelerating. After some time t, its velocity becomes V. Since I accelerated, so velocity increase हो रहा है. Okay? Acceleration definition is rate of change of velocity. What does it mean? Rate of change of velocity means change in velocity divided by time. The change in velocity in how much time? In the time t. So A is equal to change in velocity V minus U divided by time t. Okay? So what you will get? V minus U is equal to A into t. That is V minus U is equal to A into t. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first kinematic equation we derived by using the definition of acceleration. This equation is valid for constant acceleration only. Got it now? Now we will derive second kinematic equation. Okay? This second one, S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration. How we will derive this? Very simple. Displacement is equal to average velocity into time t. Average velocity is initial velocity u, final velocity v, no, with constant acceleration. Simply average you take, v plus u divided by 2. This is average velocity into time t. So this is valid for constant acceleration only. Now I am substituting v equal to u plus at plus u divided by 2 into time t. Okay? Now you simplify it. U plus u, 2u. plus AT divided by 2 into time t. Now you open this bracket, you will get ut plus half AT square. S is equal to ut plus half AT square. This is second kinematic equation. Okay. This is third one. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. V is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is the acceleration, s is the displacement. We can derive this by using same formula. Displacement is equal to average velocity into time t. But at time t we can write like this. V equal to u plus at, first kinematic equation, no? So you can write t is equal to v minus u by a. I am substituting v plus u divided by 2 into v minus u divided by a. So from this you will get 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is a third kinematic equation. I hope you understand well. Okay students, you have watched this video, no? I hope you understand. Just watching, it's not enough. You note down whatever the notes I have given in the video and practice at least 2 times. Then you will get the perfection. That is most important. So students, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get the notification for further uploads of my videos related to physics. Till next video. Bye bye, tata, enjoy every moment of your life.